Do you work on your own car? Are you tired of laying on your back? Are you tired of not having the proper tools to do the correct job? Are you tired of your apartment complex or your homeowners association giving you a hard time because all you try to do is save a little money by doing your own maintenance on your vehicle? Are you tired of purchasing those expensive specialty tools that you only use once or twice a year? And aren't you tired of working on your vehicle? Then you get right there to the end, you almost finish the last bolt you have to put on, and then you figure out you don't have the correct size. Well, here at You Do It Auto Repair, we have a solution for you, and that's our DIY membership program, where you get to use our tools, our equipment, our shop for the low price of $29.95 a month. Go to www.youdoitautorepair.com/member and sign up for our 30-day free trial right now. I mean, come on, man. It's freaking